Again, give us a little grace. This is new. It's new to us. Lives are new to us.
We are on Fort Myers Beach, about midway down the island by the Strandview. We're tearing down the Strandview right now.
Kind of, sort of across from the Publix.
Yeah, like diagonal from the Publix. Fort Myers, Florida. Yeah, there ain't too much of Newton Park left anymore. They were cleaning that up from all the debris from Debbie. That's where they loaded all the seaweed that washed up and whatnot. What should I show them?
Show them the beach.
Oh, yeah. You guys want to see the beautiful beach?
This building sits right on the ocean.
What a terrible view, right? Absolutely horrific. Yeah, we're trying a different setup than yesterday. We're thinking we'll probably just do streams from the phone from now on. Then we can walk around and change what we're looking at, follow the action. We're still getting that set up to look nice. Man, this camera shakes a lot more than you'd think. I swear I'm not shaking that bad, but it just looks like it. Even while leaning, it's like there's still a little movement. So we'll be taking this down. It's all piece by piece. You know, like how do you eat an elephant? Well, bite by bite. So we'll be chomping it down, crunching the top, and then work our way down. All the debris from the top will control fall right down to the bottom. And we'll just take it down chunk by chunk. Kenny called me my YouTuber name.
Which is what?
Dumpling.
Dumpling. Oh, it's Dumpling.
You're on the top floor, lucky dog. That's a nice view to wake up to. I'm on my phone right now, Kenny. Dave's phone is just funky. That thing does not want to stream at all. But then I tried to live stream on my phone and it worked right away. Yeah, it must be some setting we don't know about. Yeah, no kidding, you probably will. Colton's like 28, if that's what you're asking. He's a young kid. Yeah, let's try it sideways. Why not? Operation is locked. Rotate device back. That is a good point. I would like to film horizontal. That's usually how we do it. You guys are probably watching a vertical video right now. Let me see. I've never streamed on